Modeling agencies are dead. AI can now create professional models for you in seconds. Here's how to use the human generator for free. Time to turn God mode on. Start by heading over to Generated Photos' new human generator feature and select Create Human Free. You can either choose a human template or create a human using a prompt. Pick whatever you want to try. Now we get to customize this generated human. Humans of all ages, genders, ethnicities, body types, and poses with tons of options are available. You can even adjust the hair color and style, play around with clothes and accessories, and even select the perfect background. The scary part, you can even try real people's faces on generated bodies. Just upload a photo and add that six-pack you've always wanted. Biceps aren't built in the gym, they're now built with AI. The best part? It's 100% free to try. Is this scary or cool? Let me know what you think. If you found this useful, access the ultimate list of over 2,000 plus AI tools in my free weekly AI newsletter. Don't miss out.